We will now look at digestion in the stomach. So in the stomach, what is the pH? The answer is acidic. The stomach's pH is acidic. Let's look at how digestion of meat happens in the stomach. So again, meat has the following: protein, fat, and water. Let's add lipase in order to digest the fat in the stomach. Notice that lipase cannot be added. This is because lipase does not work in acidic pH. Now what if we add protease? Protease can be added because it works at acidic pH. Protease is going to try to digest the protein and the fat, and it only digests the protein. The substrate for protease is protein. So in the stomach, we have digestion of proteins by the action of protease under acidic pH. Now let's try to add carbohydrates. We notice that we can't even add carbohydrates because it doesn't work on acidic pH. So this is how meat is digested in the stomach. Let's add bread. Bread contains starch, protein, fat, fiber, and water. Again, we can't add lipase due to the fact that it doesn't work on the acidic pH. We can add protease because it works in acidic pH. And what do you think protease will digest out of these? It digests the protein only. And can we add carbohydrates? Now let's try to digest the starch. Notice that we can't do that using carbohydrates because carbohydrates, again, doesn't work in acidic pH. So this is how bread is digested in the stomach. Only the protein part is digested. Now let's add butter. Butter contains fat and water. Do you think lipase is going to digest the fat in the stomach? Again, we've already investigated this and said no, because lipase doesn't work under acidic pH. We know that protease works under acidic pH. Is it going to digest the fat? What do you think? If you said no, then your answer is correct, because even though we can add protease to the medium, it can't digest fat because the substrate for protease is protein. And we can't even add carbohydrates because it doesn't work in acidic pH. So this is the digestion in the stomach. We have acidic pH, and we can only have the digestion of proteins by protease.